In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use free VPN in Google Chrome browser. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without any confusion. A VPN extension can help protect your browsing by encrypting traffic inside Chrome and can sometimes let you appear as if you're in a different location. Free options are great for basic use, but they often come with limits on speed, data, or available locations. Start by going to the address bar in Chrome and opening the Chrome Web Store. If you don't remember the exact address, that's okay. Simply open a new tab and type Chrome Web Store into your search engine, then press enter. Look for the official Chrome Web Store result from Google and click it. That will take you to the gallery of extensions. Once the store loads, find the search box at the top. Click in the search field to activate it. This is where you'll look for VPN tools. Type VPN and press enter. You'll see a list of extensions related to VPNs. Since you're aiming for a free option, browse for reputable choices that clearly state they're free to use. Before you pick one, it's a good idea to check a few details to stay safe and avoid unnecessary problems. Look at the star rating, the number of users, and recent reviews. Click the extensions page to read the description and the permissions it requests. A trustworthy listing will have a clear explanation of what it does and transparent policies. Avoid anything that looks suspicious, has very few users, or asks for excessive permissions unrelated to VPN functionality. When you've chosen a VPN extension you trust, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome will show a confirmation prompt explaining what the extension can access. Review that information, and if you're comfortable, click Add Extension. Chrome will download, install, and enable the extension. You'll usually see a notification confirming it's been added. After installation, you should see the extension's icon near the top right of Chrome. If it's not visible, click the puzzle piece icon and pin it so it stays on your toolbar for easy access. From here, you can open the extension and follow its on-screen instructions. Most free VPN extensions let you pick a location and toggle the connection on or off. Keep in mind that speeds may vary and some sites may not work well when a VPN is enabled. That's it. Quick, safe, and straightforward. Thanks for watching and enjoy browsing with a little extra privacy in Chrome.